Meaning of daylight time.
Daylight time.
Daylight time.
Daylight time.
Daylight time. Daylight time refers to the practice of setting the clock ahead by 1 hour during the summer months in order to extend evening daylight and conserve energy. This period is also known as daylight saving time. The result of observing daylight time is that there is more sunlight available during the hours that people are typically awake, allowing for greater productivity and leisure activities in the evenings. However, some individuals may experience disruptions to their sleep patterns due to the sudden shift in daylight hours.